Hello, my dear viewers. Today, my wonderful dog and I spent the whole day in the forest. We checked the salt leaks, checked the camera traps, and in the afternoon we returned to the dugout. It's cold and windy outside. The door to the dugout was covered with snow. I barely made it inside. Then I started chopping small dry kindling to light the stove. My faithful friend is already feeling at home in the Siberian taiga. It's not for nothing that this breed is called a Siberian Husky. Winter, snow, and the taiga are his element. Finally, the long-awaited fire in the stove, the warmth and comfort of a small dugout. I need to clear the snow, so the door opens and closes properly. Unfortunately, the shovel isn't as good as I'd like. Now I'm going to cut this log with my new folding handsaw. I bought this saw for $20 and I hope it will do the job. I already have a supply of firewood, but the weather forecast calls for a cold and windy night, so I decided to stock up on some more dry wood. It certainly won't hurt. I went to the stream to get some drinking water. However, it turned out to be completely frozen. I took a few pieces of ice. Now that I've finished all my chores outside, I can relax and drink some hot tea with some candy. My dog Peter has fallen asleep. He is very tired this day. After I rested, I started preparing dinner. Today it will be fried potatoes and beef steaks. This will give me strength. My dog Peter will have stewed buckwheat with beef for dinner. It's also very tasty. Now I apologize for the poor quality of the footage. The dugout's dimensions don't allow for a tripod. Just a reminder that the dugout is 1.5 meters by 2 meters. My dinner turned out incredibly delicious. Maybe it just seems that way to me because I was very hungry. It's time to try to pick up radio stations from other countries. This always works in the evening.
Offering everything from comedy and action to animation and sci-fi, giving moviegoers plenty of choices. 这里就成为新加坡华商界的佼佼者。他的商铺或
tourism routes, culinary promotions, and intangible heritage exhibitions have extended movie consumption into broader holiday spending. Experts say the integration of film and cultural consumption is becoming a key trend for the year ahead. Filmmakers are consciously incorporating elements with strong copyright development potential, linking films with city branding, cultural heritage, and tourism destinations.
Now I want to make a wooden candlestick, because my candle is very unstable right now. I'm off to bed, my beautiful dog and I need some rest. The breeze outside and crackling wood in the stove make it incredibly cozy here. I was woken up by a strong wind during the night. I went outside and took some video footage. I added more wood to the stove and went back to sleep. This morning I managed to capture some beautiful shots of the endless Siberian taiga during a snowfall. We had a wonderful night, slept well and are feeling refreshed. Now I'll have breakfast, drink some tea and get ready to head back. My dog and I still have a few more salt licks to visit and add salt to. Then we'll head home. Thank you for joining us on this short journey. I wish you health and well-being from the bottom of my heart. See you soon.
Wow.